How to say good afternoon in Amharic. To informally greet a male, say
N D M N እንደምን ዋልክ ዋልክ እንደምን ዋልክ እንደምን ዋልክ
or
እንዴት እንዴት ዋልክ ዋልክ እንዴት ዋልክ እንዴት ዋልክ
To informally greet a female, say
እንደምን እንደምን ዋልሽ ዋልሽ እንደምን ዋልሽ እንደምን ዋልሽ
or
እንዴት እንዴት ዋልሽ ዋልሽ እንዴት ዋልሽ እንዴት ዋልሽ
To formally greet a male or a female, say
እንደምን እንደምን ዋሉ ዋሉ እንደምን ዋሉ እንደምን ዋሉ
or
እንዴት እንዴት ዋሉ ዋሉ እንዴት ዋሉ እንዴት ዋሉ
To greet two or more persons, say
እንደምን እንደምን ዋላችሁ ዋላችሁ እንደምን ዋላችሁ እንደምን ዋላችሁ
or
እንዴት እንዴት ዋላችሁ ዋላችሁ እንዴት ዋላችሁ እንዴት ዋላችሁ
How to say good afternoon upon departure. To a male in an informal setting.
ደህና ደህና ዋል ዋል ደህና ዋል ደህና ዋል
To a female in an informal setting.
ደህና ደህና ዋይ ደህና ዋይ ደህና ዋይ
To a male or a female in a formal setting.
ደህና ደህና ይዋሉ ይዋሉ ደህና ይዋሉ ደህና ይዋሉ
To two or more persons.
ደህና ደህና ዋሉ ዋሉ ደህና ዋሉ ደህና ዋሉ
For those of you who stuck around until now, thank you. I will give you 3 pieces of important information that will help you understand the good afternoon greeting in Amharic. First, I will list relevant words, along with their pronunciations, written forms, and meanings. After that, I will explain how to make the necessary verb form changes. Finally, I will tell you what to say if you have people around as a host of an event or a broadcast.
Important words.
አማርኛ አማርኛ አማርኛ
Means Amharic.
ቋንቋ ቋንቋ
Means language.
ሰላምታ ሰላምታ
Means greeting.
ቀን
Means day.
ዕለት
Means day.
ቀትር ቀትር ቀትር
means noon.
እኩለ እኩለ ቀን ቀን እኩለ ቀን እኩለ ቀን እኩለ ቀን
means midday.
ከሰዓት ከሰዓት በኋላ በኋላ ከሰዓት በኋላ ከሰዓት በኋላ ከሰዓት በኋላ
means afternoon.
ከቀትር ከቀትር በኋላ በኋላ ከቀትር በኋላ ከቀትር በኋላ ከቀትር በኋላ
means afternoon.
እንደምን እንደምን
means like what?
እንዴት እንዴት
means how.
መልካም መልካም
means good.
ውሎ
means passing of the day.
መዋል
means to pass the day. This is the infinitive form of the verb.
ዋለ
means he passed the day.
ዋለች
means she passed the day. Let's move on to the second part, the necessary changes in the verb forms. To say good afternoon, the verb
መዋል
is used. 4 forms of the verb
መዋል
are used for this greeting. For singular, masculine, and informal settings, we use
ዋልክ.
For singular, feminine, and informal settings, we use
ዋልሽ.
For singular and formal settings, we use
ዋሉ.
The greeted person could be male or female. For plural settings, we use
ዋላችሁ.
The last piece of information is what to say as a host. After having already met up with your guests, audience, or listeners, if you want to invite them to have a good afternoon attending your event or your program, you can say
መልካም ውሎ. መልካም ውሎ.